Ekiti State is one of those places in Nigeria that truly reminds you of how beautiful Nigeria is. Look at this place, it's beautiful. Check it out. This state is surrounded by rolling hills.
This feeling of going up hills and down hills, that's one of the sweetest feelings as a cyclist, to ride on a very hilly and a very sweet and smooth road.
Cyclists, we love to have hilly terrains to put something extra into our rides.
Lush greenery and beautiful farmlands. Ekiti is a picture of calmness and pride. Everywhere you turn, the air feels fresh and the land tells stories of growth, resilience, and culture. Over the years, Ekiti has transformed from a mostly rural landscape into a developing region that still manages to hold onto its natural charm. The roads are smoother.
The new ring road constructed by the Ekiti State government through Greenery Construction Company is wonderful. That road is smooth. It's a delight to all drivers. That ring road is cutting a lot of travel time. Instead of having to turn all the way around to go through the poly road, you just connect to that ring road. The road is so good. It's solidly built by Greenery Construction Company. Kudos to Ekiti State government.
The towns are expanding. And you can see modern structures blending beautifully with traditional homes roofed in red earth. This is the beauty of the western part of Nigeria. Yet, despite all these changes, Ekiti's heart remains the same. Green, humble, and full of life.
From this point that I'm just walking inside, you can see some long tall trees. Arinta Waterfall is a good place for hiking with over 7 hilly layers and an elevation of 485 to 495 meters. The cascades of the water and the rhythm of its flow create forever memorable experience that will make you yearn to come back. As you can see, Ekiti State is a heaven for biodiversity and nature conservation. This is a place with a touch of nature's resplendent beauty.
The people of Ekiti State is known for their education and integrity.
You cannot live outside and be a product of a deeply traditional university. And our tradition started just 14 years ago. We were 14 on the 10th of January 2024. We started 10th of January 2010. Wow. And here we are. Uninterrupted academic program, uninterrupted no, we don't know what strike is here, and that is leadership.
Yeah.
And it's not by chance that the state is called the fountain of knowledge.
Everything is built in the great circle. We call it great circle because the inner circle is the academic circle. The next circle is where our students have accommodation.
And to let you know, Ekiti State produces the highest number of professors in Nigeria.
He has acquired 2 degrees in economics and in law. And it's not any just degree. It is from the University of Rwanda. And he is the only person that was recognized as a PhD honoris causa in law by the University of Rwanda. Only 3 on the continent. It is Desmond Tutu, and then we have the Mandela, Nelson Mandela, and he is Arinta Waterfall, the senior advocate of Nigeria.
I mean, every family here has a professor in their midst. Maybe I'm exaggerating, but the most concentration of professors are from these states. From teachers to professors, you find that every family here takes pride in learning. Ekiti has always been known for education. Culture and hospitality. But hidden in the landscape lies one of the most extraordinary destinations in West Africa, Ikogosi Warm Spring Resort.
Welcome to Ikogosi.
The first thing you notice when you enter Ikogosi is not the buildings, it's the calm. No car horns, no concrete chaos, just trees, birds, and a gentle stream flowing nearby. This resort sits inside nature, not apart from it. The environment is serene, green, and soothing. Tall trees cast shadows over the walkways. Butterflies float across the gardens, and everywhere you turn, the sound of flowing water reminds you you're standing on a sacred ground. Here, nature is not an attraction, it is the experience. A short walk from the pool takes you to the heart of the wonder, the confluence.
Now we're walking down there. This is where we're going to see the confluence of the warm and the cold spring. This is actually where they meet. We're going to see that.
On the left, warm water.
This is warm, man.
On the right, cold water.
Lighter, this one is darker. And this stone you're seeing right here, that's the confluence, that's the meeting point where the warm and cold meet.
Side by side, flowing together, never blending.
Here's the light one, and that's the dark one.
And we can look their name written on the board. Awele and Aina Orosu.
Scientists call it geothermal stratification. Locals call it a miracle. They are also deeply cultural. Their festivals, dances, and a sense of community reflect the people who value their roots. But perhaps what stands out the most here is their simplicity and hospitality.
By the time you go to clean your breath, clean your spice.
Clean the system.
No, it cleans your spice, cleans your breath, and clean your system.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's medicine.
Very medicine.
In Ekiti, everyone is warm and vibrant, and they all share a sense of togetherness that makes you feel at home. I mean, this is home. Who wouldn't feel at home here? The land is beautiful. The scenery is amazing. The air is crisp and fresh. And the food also, it's delicious. And we're going to try the pounded yam.
This is local soup. Okra, Italy.
That's their staple food in Ekiti State, and it's also delicious. That's what we're going to have today. Let's go and eat.
Where's bakery?
No.
That one, okay, it's for you. Okay.
Yes.
So this is okra, bitter leaf, and stew.
That's the most delicious food you can find in Ekiti State.
So you were telling me about Ekiti pounded yam. What's special about Ekiti pounded yam?
Let me tell you, one of those things that is special about Ekiti pounded yam that when we are going to prepare our pounded yam,
Yes.
you don't normally
Remove the peel.
No, you don't normally peel it.
Oh.
Yeah, you don't normally peel it. This kind of pounded yam we are eating here.
It's really fele.
You don't peel the pounded yam. You just put it inside the pot, cook it. So by the time you are preparing it, by the time you want to pan, that's why you now remove
the peel.
because they believe that cooking it with the leather, with the back, is medicinal. Go and find it.
Yes.
And when you see a typical Ekiti man, it's always strong, it's always dedicated, it's always resourceful, and has first class food. And this is why we love Pakistan. No matter this is who we are. I know you have eaten a lot of you have been to several canteens and
Yes.
but we are giving you the and you can touch it.
Yeah.
Hot.
Ekiti pounded yam.
Every year, athletes, fitness lovers, and adventurers gather for the Ikogosi Marathon.
We are here for the Ikogosi 2025 17.5 marathon. So we are about to start and it's going to be fun race today. The marathon today is going to be a sweet one because of the weather condition and it's kind of hilly in this place. So the climbs will make it more sweet, I guess.
Yeah, this is my first time participating in a grand marathon like this. And looking at the terrain and the weather conditions, I think it will be more tougher. I hope to finish it.
This is an event that captures the spirit of Ekiti.
It's literally my second time participating in such a marathon that I have this opportunity to run and see how fast I can go and run beyond my normal training limit and all of that. So it was a very beautiful experience, and my legs still hurt though up to now because it was very hilly. You have to run uphill and downhill. It was a smooth experience for me.
Runners from across the country come here to taste their endurance through scenic routes. This is a celebration of strength, unity, and the natural beauty of the land.
Because of the route we used, it was a little bit hilly. In fact, it was hilly, so it was kind of difficult, but we love the run.
I managed to do 1 hour 13 minutes for 18 kilometers technically, and it's a very wonderful experience, and I really enjoyed it. Me and my colleagues, we really enjoyed it. It was a wonderful run. Thanks to our sponsor, Access Bank, Coimberg, Ilubrin, Wisdom Community. We love you and thank you very much.
During our visit, we didn't just ride, we participated in Ikogosi Marathon.
We've just participated at the Ikogosi Marathon 2025. It was a wonderful experience. The organization was smooth. I give credit to the Ekiti State government. The terrain is wonderful. The terrain is lovely. And I'm happy that the state government is doing a lot to boost the tourism potential of the state.
My first time in participating in this kind of hard terrain. I've done the Access Marathon in Lagos and it was flat total. But this one, the hills, they were massive. So it was really hard and tough for it. And again, it's almost a half marathon, which is 17.5 kilometers long. So it was really hard.
We also came to the capital city, which is Ado-Ekiti. We rode our bicycle here, explored the beautiful city of Ado-Ekiti. We rode in different roads. Some of them are very well tied, and some of them are also good. You know, Ado-Ekiti, they have really improved over the years. The last time I came here was many years ago.
And I've been frequenting Ekiti State over the years.
And the place wasn't giving. It wasn't feeling nice.
And the level of urban development, new urban development infrastructure that has come on board in Ekiti is mind-blowing. I'm really happy that the state is developing at a fast pace. I'm happy that the potentials, the tourism potential of the state is given the necessary support that it needs.
For coming back here, seeing a lot of development, a lot of infrastructural development that has been put in place, I'm kind of really impressed by what the administration is doing, to be honest. And feels like riding in a mini Rwanda. Ado-Ekiti is not flat like Lagos, it's rolling. You have these rolling hills, and it's either you're going up or you're coming down. It's so beautiful. We enjoyed it. And we look forward to more riding in this city because, you know, they actually have good roads. Thank you for watching. My name is Ado-Wonder. If you made it to the end of this video, please like, share and comment for more interesting adventures like this, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye for now.